welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing my videos, and thank you so much for getting me to 200 subscribers. So today we're going to prepare a Sadza meal from scratch with the neguru, with the veggie, you know, all that jazz. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into this fun time. So for the Sadza, I like to do the kupambira version, which is basically making your little mixture. I put the mili meal, or upu as we call it, and I mixed it with some water to make a thinnish paste. Don't make it too thick because, yeah, that would be horrible. And then I went ahead and I boiled some water in there so that it's quicker for it to start boiling. Yeah, make it nice and smooth. You don't want to make it too thin either because it will just boil over. Pretty cool. So you want to keep stirring till the heat will make it thick for you. So don't worry about that if it starts off, you know, a bit thin. Just make sure that your heat is good. You have to make sure that the guru is thoroughly washed. Otherwise, yeah, banda because of the matombo and whatever else that cattle eat. So yeah, first up, we're gonna fry our onion. So with things like maguru, mabonzo, chichi, matwatas, whatever else, you don't want to put too much like banana, swabi mix and all that. You need that natural taste, that natural flavor. So what I do is that I fry my onion and my tomato. And then do badasisa, guru or masondo, whatever else that I'll be making. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Okay. Now I'm going to add my tomato in there. If you want, you can add like garlic, but that too is a bit too strong for my liking. So for me, onion and tomato is just perfect. Not too much, not too little. And you can add, instead of roiko or whatever, because it's got like a really strong taste because of the spices, the herbs that they add, I use cornstarch instead of roiko. But if you want, you can add them. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. As for the Sadza, make sure that this boils till your ancestors just tell you shakwan. Like you don't want to make that zambosa. So the trick to that is just good heat. I've got sunga over here. Sunga is really good. Like you can make it the usual way that I like to do, which is basically frying up my onion and tomato, and then I add them there with a bit of salt. But today I'm going to make nedori, so I usually just fry it up a little bit and add a bit of water in there because the oil makes it a bit softer. But if it's like really fresh, you don't need to add that oil in the beginning. Yeah. So this was my error, my bad. So tsunga inobudisa mazimvura akawanda. You don't want to add too much water in your tsunga while you're boiling it. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit. Leave this there, you'll need it soon. Back there on the stove. It's not too salty. Too salt. Not too much. And stir this up a little before it burns. So tsunga cooks really fast. You can just cover it up if you want. You don't have to. I'm just gonna cover it up so that this process is faster. Oops, my bad. Then get back to our guru. What I did here is to mix my cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you like to call it, with some tomato puree. And then I'm going to add it to my tomato and onion mixture. See, that's still a bit too pale, so you can add a bit more puree according to your liking. You can see the sauce is now nice and thick, just the right consistency. Ooh. Yes, okay, I'm getting hungry. Just checking up on our Sadza. Still furiously boiling, which is great. Now, I'm going to add our guru in there so that everything just simmers. Oh, look at that. It just excites me, you know. I love this. Just mix it in there. Okay, reduce the temperature to like minimum heat, maybe. Yeah, so that it keeps simmering at the back there. Then now we've moved on to the veggie. As I mentioned, parboil. Don't overboil it because we still need the nutrients. Don't take out all the nutrients because boiling for too long will do that to your veggie. And I think it's ready now. Remember that same dish we had our veggie in? Bring it close by. Then we're just gonna strain our veggie because we still need that water with all the good nutrients. Oof, don't burn me, bruh. So we still need this for the sauce. Now the fun part. We are going to fry up our tomato and onion mixture as usual. Alright, so once our tomato and onion paste is good to go, we're going to start adding our peanut butter gradually. Actually quite a lot, but I love peanut butter, so it's okay. Just mix it in there. Make a nice paste. If it gets too thick, you can add that water that we strained earlier on with the coriander, the veggie. But this is fine. This is perfect. You actually don't even need to add. Oh, spoke too soon. I might need to add. Yeah. I hope this will be enough. But you don't want to add too much. Remember that water that we needed in the beginning? This is when it will come in handy. Because you don't want to kupundira. Just a wee bit. Eesh. It's so creamy. Okay, this side. Fold that in there. So, this is our guru simmering. Oh, I can't wait to eat you. Okay, I'm being crazy. Now we're gonna move on to our sadza. So, sadza kanarishikota, guys, it always burns me and like it just really bothers me. So I make sure tinsanda vurakam. Ready? Just close. So you have to be really quick. Swirl it in there. Or you can fold, whatever you prefer. Mainly for me, this is easiest. So I've reduced the temperature now because in my opinion. You don't want to make it too thick unless you like it thick, then that's fine. But you have to add gradually. More if it's too thin for you. Shikapa consistency. That's the final stage. And then after that, usually this takes like 10 minutes. Then you can serve your meal whilst it's hot. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new. What my new tricks. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.